use of the legs in the bench press. Now, while the legs are not actually part of the kinetic chain of the bench press, they are still very useful. Just like your arms are not part of the kinetic chain in a squat, they're still pretty useful. Yes, some people will try to squat without their arms, and we call these people stupid. So why?
Arms?
Yeah. You've never seen these circus tricks where they balance the bar on their back and they squat? You know, just stupid human tricks, okay? We're not interested in stupid human tricks in regards to getting people stronger, all right? Don't do that. So similarly, don't leave out your legs in the bench press. They are useful, okay? So Bree, lay down here. And just get set up for your bench press. Now, how do we know if the lifter is not utilizing their legs? Well, number one, I can see if her legs are contracting, okay? Use your legs, push against the floor. Exactly. See the muscle bellies get tight there. And then you can also see the bridge here, the gap between the lower back and the bench. Now, we're not going to bridge and leg and use our legs so hard that the butt comes off of the bench. We're going to arbitrarily say that the butt must remain in contact with the bench because we have to have at least some kind of standard. And touching the bench is a very binary standard. It's either touching it or it didn't. Instead of, well, your butt wasn't as high this time around with your 225, bro. You know what I mean? So the butt's going to stay in contact with the bench, but we are going to use our legs to drive as hard as we can up to that point. So if we've got a particularly, stubborn lifter who is not arching, is not bridging, is not using their legs, what I'll do is I'll take them right here and I'll pick them up off of the bench. So we're going to come all the way up off the bench. All right, now, Bree, we're going to slowly lower you, slowly get closer to the bench, and tell me when your butt touches, okay?
Okay. No.
Okay, now, Bree, I'm going to let go. Your job is to stay there, okay? There it is. Good, 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 good. So now she's got an even better bridge and a better arch and using her legs more than she was just a moment ago. So go ahead and unrack and just do a quick set. And that's good enough right there. Good. Okay? So, if you're a coach, try that out. If you're a lifter, get a goddamn coach.